60 interesting facts about Portugal. Portugal, officially the Portuguese Republic, is a country located mostly on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe. It has a total area of 92,090 square km. Lisbon is its capital and largest city. Portuguese is the official language of Portugal. Euro, is its official currency. Spain is its only land-bordering country. 1. Portugal was founded in 1128, making it one of the oldest nations in Europe. Portugal is named after its second-largest city, Porto. 2. The largest artificial underwater park, the Ocean Revival Underwater Park, in the world, is in Portugal. 3. Portugal is a developed country. According to the Global Peace Index 2018, it ranks as the fourth safest country in the world. 4. The Green Lane toll pay system and of prepaid mobile phone card are also Portuguese inventions, to name a couple. 5. Portuguese, the national language of Portugal, is also spoken in Brazil, Mozambique, Angola, Guinea-Bissau, East Timor, Equatorial Guinea, Cape Verde, and São Tomé and Príncipe, a total of 9 countries. 6. Portuguese, is also the sixth most spoken language, 240 million speakers, in the world, followed by Bengali and Russian. 7. Portuguese people were a key factor to the age of exploration. They helped discover several lands unknown to the Europeans in the Americas, Africa, Asia, and Oceania. 8. The largest community of Portuguese outside Portugal is in Rio de Janeiro. 9. The Dolphin Interaction Program, the only one of its kind in Europe, gets you up close and personal with the dolphins. 10. Sintra is regarded as the most romantic place in the country because of its charming streets, buildings, and misty climate. It is also famed for breathtaking beaches, vast woodland, and Europe's westernmost point, Cabo da Roca. In fact, Sintra was once described as Portugal's glorious Eden by Lord Byron. Moreover, it was declared a World Heritage Site, in the Cultural Landscape category by UNESCO in 1995. 11. There are 15 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Portugal, ranking it 8th in Europe and 17th in the world, and each year more than 13 million tourists visit the country. 12. Did you know that Porto has the highest number of bridges in Europe crossing over the same river? There is a whopping 6 bridges. Dom Luís I Bridge, most popular, Arabida Bridge, most controversial, Maria Pia Bridge, the city's oldest bridge, São João Bridge, the futuristic, Freixo Bridge, the remoted, and Infante de Henrique Bridge, the newest. The 6 bridges unite the cities of Vila Nova de Gaia and Porto. The people of Porto are not only proud that these are functional structures but also because they serve as true landmarks. 13. The Vasco da Gama Bridge in Lisbon is the longest bridge in Europe with a total length of 17,185 meters. 14. One of the most advanced ATM system in the world belongs to Portugal. More than 60 operations are possible through the system, including a donation for charities, phone credit top-ups and buying concert tickets. 15. The University of Coimbra, established in Lisbon in 1290, is one of the oldest universities in continuous operation in the world, the oldest university of Portugal, and one of its largest higher education and research institutions. The University of Coimbra has a long history that may be traced back to the 13th century. The enormous buildings of this faculty rise above the entire Coimbra, 100 meters above the sea level. One of the oldest libraries, Joanina Library, in the university comprises over 30,000 books and is designed with marble walls and floors with gold leaf. 16. The Montado landscape of Portugal produces approximately half of all cork harvested annually worldwide. Cork is impermeable, buoyant, elastic, and has fire retardant properties. It is most commonly used as a wine stopper. 17. The world record for the largest Santa Claus parade is held by Portugal with 14,963 attendees. 18. Portugal is also known as the country of tiles. The Portuguese have been decorating their walls and floors with tiles for a long time. To learn more about the history and artistic evolution of the Portuguese tiles, from early times to modern day, you could also visit the National Tile Museum in Lisbon. 19. The unique streets of Lisbon are lined with Portuguese pavement. The peculiar landmark is a common bucket list for tourists visiting Europe. They first appeared around Castelo de São Jorge and gradually grew in popularity, spreading quickly across the capital. With a whimsical design, the pavements create a magical aura, making a trip to the capital a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The tiles are designed with mosaic patterns and have been carefully installed through a process that was discovered centuries ago. You will find them all over Lisbon's central streets. 20. Still in Lisbon, you will find the largest indoor tank or aquarium. Situated in Parque dos Nacos district, the oceanarium is home to a huge variety of fishes from sunfish, the biggest bony fish, deep sea fish, sharks, to small tropical fishes. It is filled with about 5 liters of seawater. While the aquarium is the biggest attraction, visitors often take another tour to see exhibits of mammals, plants, invertebrates, etc. 21. Portugal is the world leader in the production of renewable energy. It manages to meet almost 70% of its energy needs through hydro, wind and solar power. The country is also able to convert the movement of ocean waves into electricity and energy. They really have a safe future considering the shortage of energy the world is facing. 22. The country's national drink is port wine, which is also its most famous export. 23. Port wine is probably the only wine derived from a city name. It originates from Douro Valley in Porto and aged in Vila Nova de Gaia cellars, located across the river from the city. Wine lovers go for wine tasting tours at the caves of Gaia. To get to the wine cellars, you have to cross the stunning Dom Luís I bridge for about 10 minutes. 24. Women in Portugal live longer than men in the country as the life expectancy of women is almost 6 years more than that of men. 25. Portugal has the EU's lowest fertility rate with 82,367 babies born in the country in 2014. France tops the list of the most babies born in the EU with the tally reaching 819,300 in 2014. 26. Os Lusíadas, by Luís de Camões, is the national epic of Portugal. 27. Chili, pepper, potatoes and tomatoes were introduced by the Portuguese to India. Piri-piri sauce was also invented by the Portuguese. 28. The world record for the largest omelette belongs to Portugal. It weighed a whopping 6.466 tons. You can find more details about the omelette on this Guinness World Record site. 29. Portuguese appreciate art, music, drama and dance. 30. The majority of the towns in the country have at least one cinema. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.